here is Free Cleaner. This is the first screen that will be shown to you when it is open. Click Boost. Just one tap. The booster helps to speed up the phone. Free Cleaner can make the phone smoother and faster, and it works smartly and accelerates your device. Free Cleaner is a phone cleaner and optimizer, which means it can help protect your phone. We can see that this app also has the function of CPU Cooler. CPU Cooler can help you effectively cool down the CPU temperature to prevent your phone. You can see more features, like Battery Saver, Wi-Fi Scan, Safe Browsing, Okay, alright guys, Free Cleaner has a lot of functions and this app is free. It is very efficient and effective in cleaning junk on your phone. Its free download link is in the description. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in one of my next videos.